One evening, something magical happened. Inside his net was a The fish spoke softly, "Kind fisherman, please set me free, and I will grant you." But kind Imran smiled and said, "I want nothing." And he let the
Look at that horizon, Amina.
When Imran told his wife Amina, she said, "You should ask the fish for a better home."
Oh, glowing sea, reveal your
So
secret
Imran
once
returned to
more.
the sea and called the
Yes,
golden fish
the
once
golden one
more.
returns.
With a splash of magic, a beautiful new house appeared for them. But soon Amina wanted more and more. Bigger wishes filled her mind.
Golden fish, return
Each wish
to me
made the
now.
sea darker and the magic weaker.
The sea awaits your light.
And just like that, the magic ended. Imran and Amina were back.